In this video, I'll show you how to blur a part of a video that's moving. In this clip, I want to blur out the license plate on this car. Start out by duplicating the clip and lining it on top. Select the bottom clip, go to Video, Basic, and set the opacity to 50. This will help you see the blurred layer on top. Go to Effects, Video Effects, look for Lens, and then Blur. Drag it to the clip on top. Lower the blur to something between 20 and 30. Now make sure the top clip is selected and go to Video, Mask, and then select the rectangle mask. Then position and resize it to fit over the license plate. Now you see when the video is played and the car moves, the blur doesn't stay with it. You might think to use motion tracking to track the blurred mask to the car, but when I tried it, I didn't get the best results. In this instance, it looked better when I keyframed the movement of the blurred mask. Set the playhead to the first frame, and then under Video and Mask, click the keyframe per position, rotation, and size. Move and resize the mask as needed. Then move the playhead 1 or 2 seconds ahead. Reposition the mask and resize it. Keep repeating this process, moving the playhead forward and adjusting the mask as needed. I will play it now to see how it looks. And now remember to go back and set the opacity of the bottom clip back to 100. And now this is what it looks like. Now I just did this quick, but if you spend the extra time to be more precise, it could look even better. That's it for this video. I hope it helped, and thank you for watching.